Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil at home. So if you want to know how I came up with this carrot oil, continue watching as I'll be showing you all of that. So the first ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is carrot. I've washed my carrot and we'll be scraping out the back of the carrot. After scraping it, this is how it will look like. Make sure you cut out both ends of the carrot because we don't need them. So I'm done with this. I'll be washing the carrot again. So the next thing I'll be doing is to grate the carrot. After grating the carrot, this is how it will look like. And I use the smaller part of the grater. I'm putting the grated carrot into a stainless plate, and I have my reasons for putting it into a stainless plate. I'll be letting you guys know that in a jiffy. I'm adding oil. You can add any carrier oil of choice. I'm using sunflower oil. Hope you guys are seeing it. This is the quantity of oil I added. I want a highly concentrated carrot oil. So this is how it should look like. So the next is to put it into a boiling water and cover to cook. So the reason why I use a stainless plate is to make the process fast. Alright, as you guys can see, it's boiling. So with the help of this stainless plate, which is also a metal, it will make the process faster. And you'll be cooking this for about 1 hour. What we need is the oil. So cooking it will make the juice dry up, leaving the oil. After that, you remove from heat and allow it to cool completely, and make sure you cook for about 1 hour. So I'll be transferring it, I'll be taking the oil rather, I'll be putting the oil into this container. Make sure you use a clean container. So what we need is the oil. So I'm using a sifter to trap the carrot chaff. As you guys can see, this is the carrot chaff. Our carrot oil is ready. Alright, so this carrot oil can be used for cooking, and also it helps to lighten the skin and gives you a youthful glow. Alright, so this is a simple process on how to come up with your carrot oil at home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.